Hi everyone. Do you also want to turn an old bottle into something truly calming and beautiful? Come, here I am turning this plain bottle into a peaceful piece of art with clay and colors. I started molding a mini Buddha with Fevicryl molded clay. You can use your hands to smooth the shape and sculpting tools to add details. Once the sculpture is dry, which may take a day or more depending on the weather condition, we can move to the process of painting. I personally painted it with the pastel shades of acrylic paints by Fevicryl. And just like that, this old bottle breathes in peace again. This is what happens when mindfulness meets creativity. This piece has completely transformed this little corner of my home into a space that feels peaceful and alive. If you want the products that I have used, check the comment box and the description.